I put this three information. This three information. Here I will put. You can see here, guys. Same thing you can see here. Drop ID.
Cái chỗ
Means what?
cái có đặt không ạ?
Username.
Thì hiện tại là cái ý đó là cái tên của ID.
Drop ID is username. Then IP address.
Thì hiện tại IP
I will put IP address here.
then gì và cái
MAC ID. I will put MAC
thì
ID.
nhà ID là cái gì đấy.
So let me put this
Cái chỗ một cái là IP là cái này antenna là
192.168.2.17 and next one is 004000000101 whatever. So now if we know these numbers, if we know these three numbers, so what it mean? This is the meaning of primary.
thì
So can we reach here?
thì
We know this, we know this, we know this. Now we make bind up. We bind up this. Now this guy knows. Now this knows my IP is this. This knows my name is this. So it communicates in the network.
là thông qua thì mình nên connect.
Understand, guys? The same way we will do for the partner. So for partner, you will add here. Now partner will be, can be the same IP?
No.
No. So we need to put some different IP, and then can we put the same MAC ID? No. We need to put something different. So let me do. I will copy and change something is. I will just change. Okay. One part IP. When you done this, after that you apply. When you apply, you will see this new controller here. In the here. Now I apply. If all information are okay, it will come here.
Khi nó bao gồm thông tin cái cá nhân đó thì nó sẽ hiện trên cái chỗ cái bảng đó.
Now you can see. You can see this. New here. You have this.
Anh em chỗ này là hiểu